This one trading tool will help you make money in 2025. Let's get right into it. Okay, so the trading tool in topic is Edgefill. As you can see, top left here, Edgefill. This is the official website. I'm going to speak to you about why I think this tool is going to help you make money in 2025 and how it's helped me make money in 2024 and going to continue helping me make money in 2025. Okay, so basically what Edgefill does, it basically gives you a whole bunch of reports that help you find your edge in the market. Excuse the pun. Edgefill helps you find your edge, how you want to trade. There's a bunch of reports. Okay, a lot of the guys that like trading futures, the nice thing about this, do have futures, crypto, forex, stocks. They've got a whole host of actual assets that they do have underneath for these report section. Okay, so I'm going to speak to you about two of my favorite ones, why I like to use them, and then you can go and get a free trial. The link is in my bio. If you're watching this on YouTube, you can get the link in my bio as well. Twitter, link is in my bio. Okay, so I'm going to speak to you about two of my favorite ones, why I like them, and then you can go and look at your favorite ones and find them for yourself. Right, play around with them. That's how I think a lot of these reports. You kind of have to play around with them, see which ones suit the way that you like to trade, why do you like to trade that certain way, etc., etc. Okay, so let's go to futures, because I know there's a lot of futures traders that watch my streams. You know, guys trading FDAX, guys trading ES. I'm trading them as a CFD contract. But I definitely think that this is going to help you make money and find your edge come 2025. And if you're not using it, I think you are doing yourself a disservice. Okay, so my favorite ones, and you can mark them out as your favorites. As you can see, there's a whole host of ones here. Let's just go over here, price action. There's a whole host of different reports. Engulfing candles, seasonality reports, performance by weekday, green and red streaks, FOMC performance. We've just had FOMC the other day. Okay, opening range indicator, opening week. There's a whole bunch of ones. I've narrowed it down to two that I particularly like to use. And then I think you, by going through them, should find ones that resonate with yourself. Okay. If you also come underneath, let's just go to a random report like this. You can, like the Asian range breakout report, it gives you an explanation of actually what it all does in-depth explanations. There's even a video on it. So if you like, James, I'm not too sure where and how to use these reports, come to the video. And this is actually how you can see them on Edgefill's website. Again, there is a link to the free trial in the website in my link in bio below. Okay. So let's go to my favorite one, the previous day's range report. I'm sure you've heard me speak about this one a lot. But let's go to the previous day's range report on ES. So S&P E-money futures. Okay. Let's go to year to date. The nice thing about this is you can change it from 1 month to 3 months, 6 months, all the way to 5 years. As you can see, today is the last day of the year, 2024. And this is why I think it's really, really, you're doing yourself a disservice if you don't have this in your tool belt come 2025. Okay. So previous day's range report on ES. So basically what this report tells us, if we take out the previous day's highs, what is the chance that we close as a bullish closing day? If we take out the previous day's lows, what are the chances that we close as a bearish closing day? Okay, as you can see year to date by standard, see they have different reports for this. They go by weekday, so you can see on a Monday what happens on a Monday, Tuesday, and so forth. By outside close, and those I normally like looking at it by weekday. Okay, so that previous day's highs, year to date, if we took out the previous day's highs this year, 76% of the time we actually close as a bullish closing day. Very interesting. Now, if we take out the previous day's lows, 76% of the time we close as a bearish closing day. So very, very on point statistics there. Okay, so that's pretty interesting. Now we can go by weekday. Now this is what is beautiful. Obviously today is a Tuesday, but this is what the nice thing about this is you can actually come in and find which days are providing higher EV, expected value, right? Higher expected value. What days could be producing better? You know, because obviously, as mentioned, you're going to have some days that will be more bullish than others. For example, on Monday, 85% of the time we close bullish if you take out the previous day's highs, compared to maybe a Thursday. I know Thursday was not a very bullish day, and I would have known that simply because of using Edgefill. So look at the Thursdays on ES, 55% of the time closes a bullish closing day if you take out the previous day's highs, compared to a Monday. That jumps up to 85% of the time. So obviously we can clearly see Mondays are a lot more, for this report to be a lot more conviction in your bias. Maybe you would risk more on those days. Okay. Or on a Thursday, if it takes out the previous day's highs, maybe you don't take that trade. This is also about like, okay, using the age fill to actually take or avoid poor trading setups. And you would only know that if you actually have a look at the reports. So let's go to the second report that I do want to speak about today. And that is the opening candle continuation. And I like using this on futures as well as stocks, particularly because we have an opening candle or an opening hour. Okay, if you're trading stocks or if you're trading futures, there is that 9:30 a.m. open time. And I like to use that opening hourly bias to form for the rest of the day. And you'll see why exactly in a minute. Okay, so opening candle continuation, year to date. If the first hour is bullish, so you can customize this as well. You can make it 3 hours, 5 minutes, whatever you want. I like using the first hour. If this first hour is bullish, the year to date on here, 72.59% of the time, we actually close as a bullish closing day. So that would give you a very, very good direction for that rest of the trading day. And I think it, you can use this for any ticker, but I particularly like using it on stocks and indexes, and which is what I've been trading mainly, mostly recently, because they have an actual opening bell or opening time, starting time, whatever you want to call it. But this odds or these probabilities will change from day to day. A Monday, 62% of the time if the first hour is bullish. Tuesday, a whopping 83% of the time. Wednesday, 80%. Thursday, 61%. Remember, I told you that Thursdays are not very bullish closing days. And Friday, 76%. So these are the two reports that I definitely think that you should have a look at if you are going to come and trade using Edgefall's reports. Okay, we can go. I know a lot of traders trade NQ as well. So come and fiddle around. You can look at every single futures ticker. You can come look over here for stocks. They got almost every single stock. They got obviously Tesla, right? TSLA, right? Tesla year to date. Let's have a look at Tesla year to date. Opening candle continuation report. On a Tuesday, 78% of the time, if the first hour is bullish, we close as a bullish closing day. So come and play around with these, guys. This is where you can come and get the free trial, come use Edgefill, come and actually check what reports resonate with you and how can you use them in your own trading. So I appreciate everyone watching the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and follow me on my social medias. The link is on my bio as well. Everything that you need, link in bio. And I hope that you enjoy today's video. This tool is definitely key for you guys making money in 2025. It has helped me so much in 2024 make money. And I know it's going to continue helping me make money in 2025. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, and we'll see you on the next one.